Hey guys, so I watch a lot of UK stuff on YouTube, like camping videos, survival videos, just in case. And I just like watching, like to learn. So a lot of the UKs take this to eat their campsite, you know, just in case backup. They don't have food or whatever. They make it look so good that I just had to get me some. I ordered it because this is a UK product. And then I found this one as well because it's curry, so I like curry stuff. So I'm just gonna try it out the can. It probably tastes better hot. I'm just try it out the can and see what the big fuss is about. So I'm Mexican, so we eat pinto beans for breakfast all the time. This is supposedly a haricot bean. It's a different kind of bean. And the difference is that it's in tomato sauce, which is different. Our beans come in like more of a barbecue sauce, or just like it's regular bean sauce. No tomato sauce at all, unless you make them like that. But I don't know any Mexican that makes it with tomato sauce. If anything, they put like cheese or like chorizo or something like that. But yeah, the UK, they eat this for breakfast as well if they're not camping. They put it on toast and butter, and then they put this on top, and then like some cheese, and that's like supposed to be like a comfort food for them, or a breakfast food, a snack, whatever. I'm gonna try it like a camping video. So let's see how this goes. Hope I don't make a mess. Ow. I don't want to knock it yet, but it smells like Chef Boyardee, okay? I gotta taste it first. I guess this is what it looks like. You can kind of see it there. That's what it looks like. I've seen this bean before in like some type of beans, but the sauce is what's different. So here's first bite. It's good. It's really good. It tastes tomatoey. It's got a lot of flavor even though it's cold. And I can imagine with bread and butter and cheese. They know what they're talking about. It's good. I like it. I would definitely eat that a lot more if they sold it here. They might in some stores, where they have international foods, but I had to order mine. So now it's time for the curry. I'm really curious about this one. Ooh, that one has a darker sauce. Ooh, you can totally smell the curry. It's strong. It's darker too. Look at that. Wow. Yes. It tastes the same, but just with a lot of curry. It's really good. I can see why they take this with them. This is like safe haven. Haha. Okay. Amazing. A new favorite for me. I love beans. I could eat them all the time. Like, I'd be craving that shit. Good protein. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to try them. Recommend. Find you some. And Heinz beans, really good. See you later, guys.